Welcome to my channel Anita Krishna. Today we are discussing about the content of value education. Content of value education means what is the main content, what things we are discussing about in value education class. That is the content of value education. In content we are discussing about the what we are teaching the skills, what values we are teaching in the value education class. That is the content of value education. Today we are discussing about the content of value education. Why? Because in previous class we are process of value education, meaning of value education, what types of value education, what methods we are using the value education class. These are we are already discussed. But today the most important topic is, don't miss it, content of value education. The content of value education, the government currently more focus on the promote the value education in schools. That's why that is the very important basic things. That is the overall the people they wanted for the development of values in their own life. That's why the Ministry of HRD, Human Resource Development, is also the strong step in the introducing the values among the schools and teacher training centers also. Why we need for teacher centered training centers also, the teachers of teachers for the children's. That's why the teachers also know about the values for each and everything. That's why this content is introducing the HRD, Human Resource Development, the more focus on the schools and also TTC, Teachers Training Centers. That's why in the India, the under leadership of the Shaji Kumar, that is the NGET. NGET means New Golden Education Trust. That is the in India we are followed by the value education in the Shaji Kumar under the leadership of the this NGET, New Golden Education Trust. This is also to learn and to promote the value education in every schools and educational institutions and teacher training centers also. That is the that content we introducing and promote the values in different ways. What we are content we are discuss in the value education. These are the very important contents in the value education process. That is the first one is character education, health education, environmental education, and national history and heritage, constitutional right for education, community development, and national integration education. These are the more content we introduce the value education classes. Why we are these are very important contents means these are discussing about the to promote the values for each and every people to become a in the nation, in any country. We have to know about this type of education. What type of education? Character education is important, health education is important, and environmental education is important, and constitutional rights, we know about the our constitutional rights, and also national history and heritage. Why? Because the values, the national history and heritage is also full of values, our culture, what we are followed in the previous days. That is also we know about the national history and heritage and community development. Why? Because we are living in the society, we developing the community to different ways, different phases. That is also we know about the value education in the content and national integration education. These are the more content in the value education classes. First of all, we are discussing about the character education. What is the meaning of character education? That is the process of value education. We already to briefly discuss about the character education. We all know about the programs of the value education, the process of the value education. Character education is most important. Why? Because in 4 to 6 and 6 to 12 and 12 to 14, after that we will build with our life and with so many morals. That is the morals means we have to look into the critical thinking, cognitive development, and also spirituality, accessibility. These are we have to learn each and everything to develop our physical, mental, and also full of energy. That is the character education. Character education not like a personality and dressing style and also white or black color, not like that. The character education is what is the inner beauty. That is the character education. In inner beauty means we are thinking, overall thinking, that is the different way. That is the critical thinking, reasoning. We have to raise our to thinking about the critical thinking. That is also to each and every point we have to look into our aspiration. That is also to build our character education. That's why character education is most important for each and every value education classes. We have to learn and teach our students and children to each and everything. That is the character education. And after that, health education. Health education is also important to development our physical or mental abilities. Why? Because the every students they have to learn some skills. What is the promote of our to environment and also society to our become a healthy person. We have to look into the our healthiness and also our society healthy is also very important. That's why we are conducting the social awareness programs, and also students are went to some villages and to make a awareness, creating awareness of the health issues, infections. We are clean around the our healthy fruit and nutrition food. These are also we have to look into the teach them each and every person. We have to various programs. We our government is also introducing the various programs. In that time we have to do the due to any earthquakes and also any infections, any diseases, we have to know every awareness creating for each and every people. That is also we are broad minded and to educate the children for healthiness. That is also to health education. And after that, environmental education. Environmental education is also very important. Why? Because in previous days also in HVP, human values and professional ethics, before that environment education is also introducing the each and everything to know about our environment. What is the air pollution and what is the water pollution we have to do for the to drinking water very safe, and also we have to look into the our environment clean and green. That is also we learn each and everything in the environment education classes. But here also HVPE the content is also look into the environment education. To our environment is also clean and green, and also we have to make a healthy person, and also we have a happy person. That's why environment education is also important in the content of the our value education. And national history and heritage. Why we are teaching the national history and heritage in the value education classes? We have to look into the our culture, our heritage. In each and every country we have a different cultures and different heritages. But we have to follow the our beliefs, traditions, and what we are do for in the previous days, what values we are followed in the Vedas, and after that in different categories of people to live in the society. We have a different cultures, different religions. Our history is also learn some values in the previous days. That is also we learn, we understood about our culture, our heritage. That is also to know each and everything. That's why the national history in heritage is also to introduce in the value education classes. Why? Because in previous days, in before past 4 3 years back, we are introducing Indian heritage and culture. That paper is introducing the each and every degree students to follow the our Indian culture and heritage. And present now in APSHE, the life skill paper, Indian culture and science. Why we are introducing the Indian culture and heritage? That is the we know everything about our nationality. That is also too important of our to learn some values. What we are losing our values, but in those days we are following that values. We are very happy with our environment. That's why we know about our national history and heritage is also important. And constitutional right for education. That is the in constitutional duties and responsibilities, what we are taught in the rights, what we are doing for present, what are the duties and the responsibilities. That is also in the constitution. But constitutional right for education, that is the RTE, right to education, in introducing the August 4th in 2009. Overall the countries, all the world, is also followed by the RTE, that is the right to education. And also in 2010, the overall the countries also to introduce in the value education. And also in our constitutional article 21A, in 135 countries are education is a fundamental right. Our fundamental rights, our duties, our responsibilities, these are to learn in our constitution. That's why the constitutional right to education is also for each and everything pinpoint we learn and what we are followed in the society to others happiness, among the happiness, and also our happiness is also important. That's why the RT is very uh, protocol about the in 6 to 14 of age children must and should read and write. That is the right to education power is also to know about the to introduce in the year of 2009. That is also the constitutional right for education. Next thing, that a community development in October 1952, October 2nd in 1952, that is the introducing about the community development. Why? Because we have a in the society we have to develop our community wise, what we are extension and intensive, and also what is the national intensive programs we are followed by these phases. That is the national extension phase and intense community development phase, and also post intensive programs. These are also very important in the community development program. We have to learn to develop our villages and blocks, what we are need for each and everything. That is also to develop our community. And national integration education, that is also very important. Why? Because the famous personalities we learn to what we are they are do. For example, in our freedom struggle they have a 3 phases. The first phase is extremists, and second phase is moderates, and third phase is that is the Gandhian era. These are very the freedom fighters. We learn about their integration, what they are did in the in post independent. Present we are in a very free to our freedom, but in those days they have to mingle with others, and Europeans are ruled in the India. That's why this is very important for national integration education. That is very important for us. Thank you one and all. This is very important topic for each. Thank you girls to watching this video. You like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and also don't forget the press bell icon to upcoming videos. Thank you very much.